Hey Forge followers, Alexis here from Forge Recruitment. With the new year ahead, I wanted to share with you my top 3 tips on how to stay organized while working from home. My first and all-time favorite tip is creating to-do lists. To-do lists are a highly effective way to maintain productivity throughout the day while also allowing you to recognize your productivity. Try to organize your list based on urgency. This will ensure you are completing the most important tasks first. Next would be keeping a clean work environment. A clean workspace will avoid distraction while allowing you to feel comfortable in your space. A clean workspace will also increase productivity. At the end of each week, I typically declutter my desk by throwing out any old to-do lists, relocating any items that don't belong, and wiping down my desk to make sure it is clean and organized for the next week. Lastly, take breaks. It is so easy to get caught up in sitting at your desk all day. It's important that we step away from our workspace. Whether that be getting another cup of coffee or going on a lunch walk, moving our bodies and getting that blood flowing will actually increase motivation, productivity, and energy. The new year is a great way to implement new techniques and challenge yourself with new goals. With that in mind, happy job hunting and good luck.